Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get the mixing bowl and throw in, or pour. Be easy to pour. Be pretty hard to throw liquid. But put in 600 mils of pure cream, or whipping cream, thickened cream, anything that you can whip. Preferably not Devo because it will have too many chunks in it. Now we just want to whip this and whip it good. Look at a can of sweetened condensed milk, 395 grams. Pour that in. And then we want to fold this in so we keep it light and airy. Add just over half a tablespoon of vanilla extract and half a cup of chocolate syrup, chocolate sauce, chocolate topping, and fold this through. Then add 3 cut up cherry ripes. For those of you that don't know what a cherry ripe is, it looks like this. It's awesome. Just fold that through. Now just get a container of something that you can seal and put into the freezer and pour the mixture in. Now pop this in the freezer either overnight or just 4 to 6 hours should be plenty of time, but just check it. There's the ice cream. Yummy.